Are you having trouble connecting to the internet on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step instructions on how to reset network settings on your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. And then simply select Reset Network Settings. And then enter your passcode on your iPhone. And then tap Reset Network Settings one more time to confirm your action. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.